Right. A very warm welcome and good evening to all present here. Thank you for joining us in today's webinar session. My name is Mariam Qadir and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Trackier. And I have with me Anchal Sibag, my colleague and an established Customer Success Manager from our team. We at Trackier are committed to providing you with the best tools to leverage your affiliate marketing segment and assist with measurable ways to manage marketing campaigns. Our daily routines thus revolve around the same goal: resolving client issues and taking feedback to improvise and assure the best outcomes. In the affiliate industry, marketers pay attention to strategies around successful conversions and transactions. The very essence of this industry lies in combining advertising and brand marketing activities and focusing on measurable results to determine the payout. Today, we are going to be discussing the management of the same payout and revenue with Trackier tools. Now, without further ado, let's turn the time over to Achal.
Thanks for the introduction, Mariam. That was a wonderful kickstart. So, to begin with, we here at Trackier, we have been constantly making strategic improvisations and coming up with multiple new features aligned with our client requirements. So, taking a dig at the complex problems and doubts related to revenue and payout management, let's dive right into the overview. So to get started with payout management system. So Tracker gives you a comprehensive set of features to manage your revenue and payout goals with ease, with options to set up multiple geo, multiple currency payouts, along with granular targeting at the city or state level for your campaigns. So this allows you to leverage. This allows you the leverage of creating multiple payout goals specified for a campaign corresponding to different regions, currencies, and publishers.
That sounds very interesting, Anchal. Many a times I have seen this concern with clients that different campaigns use different metrics to define payouts, obviously. So, would you also be kind enough to show how can we define payouts in multiple formats on the panel?
Yes, absolutely. So, to understand that in a better way, let's just get started with understanding that how many categories of payouts are there and how we can. So, let's just get started. So, there are currently multiple aspects of payouts, and we have categorized them into 5 sections, starting with campaign specific payouts. Then we have currency specific payouts that can be further segregated into single and multi currency. Then we have publisher specific payouts, tier based payouts, and the last one is advanced rule based payout. So, starting with, let's just have campaign specific payouts in the beginning. So, every campaign has a default goal that can be set up while creating a campaign. Multiple payouts and revenue can be set up corresponding to the campaign's default goal. So, these payouts can be country specific, region specific, and further optimized at the city level as well. Moving forward with it, next we have is currency specific payout. So in this, if I put it in simple words, so every campaign has its own currency. But if the currency is not specified, the revenue and payout will be shown in the default currency of the panel. However, if you have created a global campaign, every payout can be set up in a different currency.
Achal, I have a question here.
Yeah.
One of my clients is running CPS campaigns with a USA and India audience simultaneously. So, is
Mhm.
it possible for him to have payouts in the respective currencies for the separate regions?
Yes, of course. So let's take an example. In multi-currency payout, if you have a global campaign, your advertiser might pay you in INR for sale in India and in USD for sale in US. So you can set up separate payouts in different currencies for different countries as depicted on the screen right now.
Got it. Can we also set up higher payout for publishers specified to a particular region in India from where we're getting more revenue?
Indeed, we can do that. And, it's a pretty easy setup. So in the single currency payout, say you receive a higher number of conversions from a region Mumbai, which adds up to a great portion of your revenue. So you can set up separate higher value payouts, which is specified to the publishers from Mumbai region. Like if the revenue is 50 rupees, the default payout can be set up at 30 rupees for the campaign. However, if you can override the default campaigns by creating a separate payout for 35 rupees on 50 rupees revenue and set it to granular level state targeting for Mumbai. So this will result in all the publishers getting 30 rupees, but the ones who belong to the Mumbai region will get 35 rupees. I hope that answers your question, Mariam. So moving forward, the next we have is the publisher specific payout. So Tracker gives you a free hand to control the payouts of all the publishers individually, and that too with separate currencies, which means you can choose to pay certain publishers more or less as compared to the others.
So you mean I can pay a particular publisher more as compared to the rest? Many of my clients are working with segregated groups of publishers, say region-wise or performance-wise. Is it possible to define greater or lesser payout for a group of publishers?
That is indeed a wonderful question, Mariam. And I am happy to tell you that yes, you can group the publishers into different tiers and then allot separate payouts to those groups based on the revenue parameters and the traction that you are getting from their end. So we have termed these types of payouts as tier based payouts. So tier-based payout is actually a subset of publisher-specific payout. So you can categorize your publishers into different tiers based on your preferences and the conversions you are getting from them, and then set up individual payout values for separate tiers. As you can see on the screen right now, we have segregated the publishers into three tiers: platinum, gold, and silver. So, in respect to the revenue setup at 100 rupees, the platinum tier of publisher gets the highest payout value, which is 60 rupees, as compared to the gold and silver tier, which will get 40 and 20 rupees simultaneously. So I think that answers your question, Mariam. So shall we proceed ahead with the next rule? I'll take that as a yes. So the next we have is advanced rule-based payout. So in the advanced rule-based payout, you can actually, in the payouts, you can actually add multiple segregations for payout values, depending upon the variables such as sale amount and the sub parameters. So if I explain it in an easy way, so we'll take an example of CPS campaign. So the sale amount is a dynamic value. Hence, the payout setup for CPS campaigns are calculated in percentage. Say if the sale amount is $100, the revenue and payout will be set up in percentage, like 10% of the payout on 20% revenue. So which is corresponding to the sale amount. Additionally, what you can do is you can set up advanced rules to specify higher payouts for your publishers based on a bigger sale amount. Continuing with that, we also the advertiser can specify separate payouts based on sub ID values. For example, you can choose separate revenue and payouts for monthly and yearly subscriptions. Say for a monthly subscription of 100 INR, you can choose to pay the publishers 70 INR. However, for the yearly subscription, you can set up the payout to be 40 INR, depending upon your preferences. With that note, I think we will now be wrapping up the webinar.
All right. I think we are open for the Q&A session. Guys, you may feel free to, send us your questions in these Q&A segment, and we'll be, happily taking them.
So we have a question over here that is regarding, can we set impression-based payouts? So yeah, we can set up impression-based payout. So say if you're creating a impression-based campaign, so in the revenue and payout section, the payout that you set up will be impression-based. So it will be like in an impression-based campaign, if the payout is set up as $2, so that will be if whenever if the impressions reach 1,000, the number 1,000 count. So in those case, $2 will be paid out to the particular publisher. Right. So I think we have another question, which is related to the landing page wise payout. So, in cases where, if I talk about the landing page wise payout, so while creating a campaign, if you have created multiple landing pages, so in those cases, so what I'll do is I will just share my screen, so that will be easier. So, as of for in this, as you can see in the revenue payout and goals for this particular campaign. So, if I just edit one of the payouts that we have set up. So, over here, you can see that there is an option of landing page. So, it will include all the landing pages that you have uh, set up for this particular campaign. So, you can choose the particular landing page in order to define the separate payout if in cases of if somebody is landing upon that particular page. So it can be easily set up.
I think we are going to wait 5 more minutes for any more questions that may come up.
Yeah. So I think we have one more question. It is the currency auto updated in revenue and payout? So, if you haven't set up the currency, if you haven't set up the currency by default while you're creating the campaign, so it will automatically pick up the currency of your panel that you have set up.
Actually, I think we have one more question that says if we have multiple events, can we have different payouts for multiple publisher?
Yes, we can do that. So it is pretty easy. Say if you have multiple publishers and you're creating a CPI campaign. So in those cases, you can create multiple events, and then you can specify for particular publishers. You can specify different payouts for them.
Actually, there's another question that has come up. It says in the CPS campaign, can we also have a percentage-wise payout for a CPS campaign? Can we have a percentage-based payout or
Yes.
a fixed payout with a
Yes, we
hmm.
can do that. So, what happens? Like I was talking before as well, while you're creating a CPS campaign, so it is ideally percentage based. So, in those cases, what you can do is you can define the percentage of the payout on the basis of, which is corresponding to the sale amount. And then, what you can do is you can also assign a fixed a value for the static revenue. So, say for example, if the sale amount percentage, for the payout, if it's 10%, then you can maybe decide that additionally $10 will also be paid to that particular publisher. So that can be done, of course.
Okay. I think that is all for Q&A for today's webinar session. Uh, Thank you, Archana, for taking time out today and having a chat with me and discussing the issue that pops up really frequently with my clients as well. And special thank you to my attendees who took time on their busy schedules and sitting down with us to discuss this topic. We ensure that going forward, being a very technocrat minded company, going forward we will be hosting many such webinars to discuss these issues that are pretty recurrent. And with that, I would like to wind up the session. Anshul, if there's anything you'd like to add.
So thank you everyone for joining in. And if you have any questions regarding the revenue and payout management, just do not hesitate to ping us and reach out to us. So we are always there and we will be happy to assist you with it. So with that note, I think let's just wind it up. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.